Just heading out to take a look at this Honda CB500F. Now I'm flying to the DMV.
354 encounter 12.
Just heading out to take a look at this Honda CB500F. It's a little bit of a ways away, it's about 45 minutes, so I just borrowed my dad's truck, borrowed my boss's trailer. I'm kind of flying solo today. It's a Monday. Most people don't have Monday off of work, so got a trailer to go pick this thing up. Let's go check it out. So everything went well. Got to the guy's house. The bike's super clean, low miles, no accidents, nothing like that. It's super cool. So I didn't video any of that part. It's kind of like an awkward exchange anyway without trying to video it. So, but yeah, I just picked up the bike. There it is back there. You can see the handlebars. It's a little dusty from sitting in his garage, but otherwise the bike's new. Like tires are brand new. It's still got all the factory stickers, like all the little, I don't know what they're called, just little stickers that they put on the factory. That's all there. 938 miles. Let's see if I can get this thing off the trailer without dying. Got it on okay. I struggled a little bit because of the incline, but we got it up. Thanks to Charlie for the push up the ramp. Okay. Hopefully this is all visible. I didn't check the camera before. Okay, so we have on that. What am I missing? I missed this last time. Clutch is in, kickstand's up, ignition. Oh, there we go. It's a little cold. All right. So I read that you're supposed to use your rear brake when backing up, but I'm gonna just back it up this way. Hope. Here we go. I always shift the wrong way. I'm supposed to shift down. That time we're sounding a little better. I think it's low on gas. This clutch is way different than what I'm used to. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Okay, I didn't want to take this for a ride, but I want to go to the DMV. Try to get this thing registered before the DMV closes. What time does the DMV close? Let's see. Close at 5. Might be able to make it. Sweet. Just gotta park this right here, and we'll come back and get to the DMV and come back. Now I'm flying to the DMV. They close in 59 minutes. And I don't have an appointment scheduled, so I'm hoping I can register the bike. We will find out. I'm almost to the DMV. Super close. I gotta shift. Yeah, shift. So
Now serving W354 encounter 12.
So just got the license plate, temporary license plate. DMV was awesome. It was like a 15-minute wait, and then a few extra minutes for a custom plate. It's kind of windy. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I forgot the DJI mic, so, and it's windy. So there's our temporary. So we got the temporary tag. The mail hauled to the DMV. Had an hour left, got it done. Those guys are awesome. Get back home, get on the bike. Now we're at Cycle Deer. battery just shut off on the GoPro, so hopefully this thing runs. Okay, I'm gonna go close the gate. Never ridden with heavy gloves before, so that'll be interesting. See how that goes. There we go. Guess I might as well put it in gear, huh? Okay. Eyes are closed. We're in space mode. Haven't ever ridden with a helmet either. It's kind of different. I'm shifting the wrong way. Bar. This is weird with a helmet. I'm gonna say that. It is wonky with a helmet. Let me. Motorcyclist. Alright, I'm gonna bog down on this hill here. There's a big giant hill. Probably can't hear me talking to
way. Holy crap. Yeah, it's tiny compared to the one at work. The one at work is like got weight to it, and it's like it feels stable, and getting on this is like, oh my gosh, this thing's tiny.
Hauled ass to the DMV.